So we had today, it's a 2012 BMW 328i. This vehicle did have a rain sensor, which is what we're installing now at the moment. And a lot of these BMWs do have rain sensors. And this is a brand new aftermarket glass. We removed the old glass. It was shattered and did have to be cut out by hand. And we're gonna just stick his plastic cover back on and he will be on his way. Another beautiful install, BMW convertible 2012. Give us a call. Let us know for all your auto glass needs.